I got a Jamaican patty from every single Jamaican restaurant in Broward to find out which restaurant really has the best Jamaican patties. All right, y'all, we got 4 ways we're gonna rate the patties. 1, Bumbakalai, which means the patties was delicious. 2, Fire, which means the patties was tasty, delectable, but it wasn't quite delicious. 3, which is Nice Up, which means it was okay, but it could use some work. And then last is Dutty, which means it was not hitting at all. Hey, y'all, first we got Dutch pot. What that, pardon the potty, what that is? I don't like the beef in Dutch pot's patty. Also, the patty not even flaky. It's like rubbery. What are flakes? I'm gonna give Dutty. Now we got Fiery Irie. Fiery Irie, you're not fooling me. That is a Grace patty from the store. But I like Grace patties, so I'm gonna give it a Nice Up. Juicy patty. I'm not taking any patties out the bag. No patties were harmed. I apologize for what happened last time, once again. But this is a bumbakalot. This patty good, man. I got no complaints. This is a good patty. All right, y'all. Now we have Island Things. To me, that was a good patty. It wasn't perfect, but it was good. So I'm gonna give it a fire. We got Auntie Eyes. As soon as I bit into the patty, the meat like punched me. The meat went right into my mouth, like it was just there. But the meat has no flavor like that. I'm gonna give Auntie Eyes a Nice Up. Golden Crust. Man, I hate when the patty look like that. I'm gonna be honest, y'all. I simply just don't like the taste of that one. Give it a Dutty. The damage is already done. I don't even want to talk about it. We got finger licking patties. This one is very colorful. Not only did the meat hit me in the mouth, the meat is flavorful. This is a great patty. So I'm gonna get that one a fire because it wasn't quite good at Juicy Patties, but it was good. All right, y'all, now we got Donna's. Not bad, not good. I'm gonna give it a Nice Up. The meat was a little bland. Now, y'all, we got Taste Right. This is a good patty. Oh my God. Why the outside so soft like that though? The outside is smooth as a baby's bottom. We have a split decision here. I personally think Juicy Patty, but she thinks Taste Right won.
How much egg you fry?
6.
6 bomba rascal.